Hi, my name is Becky Shipley, and I am the current manager of the Boiler Room. And this is Steve Boruch, and he is a board member of the Boiler Room. And Steve, I'm going to ask you a couple questions. We haven't quite picked out a design for the sign outside. So can you tell us a little bit about the designs on the wall?
You know, I think the only thing that everybody's been able to agree on with this whole sign issue is the B in the middle. We've got from the original Boiler Room the B that's on a piece of aluminum that's, you know, 10, 12 years old now. How are we going to incorporate into that into the sign? Not really sure quite yet. My original idea was just taking it and having it in a shape of some sort that we could frame up with plywood and steel, and it would look good. And then we kind of came up, some people said, well, why don't we make the shape a coffee cup? And a lot of people seem to like that. It's kind of, I don't know, kind of a little too Victorian for me, if, you know, truth be known, but we'll see where it goes. And some people are really into the monkey. I don't know about the monkey. The monkey hasn't gotten a lot of votes for the front sign. I don't know if we're going to end up going with him or not. But we'll see. But it's like anything else that we've got, you know. I mean, you know, we try to make these decisions kind of on a consensus basis, and we want everybody to feel good about it. So you end up having to have this balance between, you know, the easy, practical, cheap, quick thing that's kind of cool, and the, you know, something a little fancier and pushing the envelope. And so we're always balancing those two options here between. Well, it was what you said, you know, between something that's totally amazing on this hand and something that's just like real quick and dirty and let's get it done on the other hand. And I don't know where we're going to fall in this. I know that we don't need the sign to open up, that's for sure, but we do need to kind of come up with a plan. So that's what we're working on. And like everything else, everybody's got a little piece of it they want to inject, and you know, can't have all the pieces there. It's only this big, this sign.
Steve, do you think that 711 Water Street is an ideal location for the Boiler Room?
No. You know, I really, in a lot of ways, didn't want to be downtown with the Boiler Room, and I didn't think that this was going to be an ideal location, but everybody kept being so insistent about it that you know, I started looking into it a little bit more, and now that we're here, I'm starting to realize that, you know, we've got some really nice neighbors. We've got the thing that we've got is that unlike the old Boiler Room, where all of our interchange between us and the world took place on one little piece of real estate in the front of our old location, now we've got the whole back, and the backyard is going to be able to like spread the whole load of, you know, where our people are and where our customers can hang, feel comfortable, and not, you know, get in the way of traffic. I mean, that's, you know, it's a big deal for our neighbors. They want the streets clear, and I think it's going to be nice. People will be able to relax outside and get that trail to the beach, and you know, I mean, hopefully, if, you know, things don't work out, you know, people could build little boats and just launch them right from the back of the Boiler Room, and you know. But I think it's going to be a comfortable place. I mean, now the more I've looked at it and the more I'm here, I'm real happy with it. I mean, it's not ideal, but, you know, we're making the most of it.